Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Back up the existing XML now so you can revert. Open the XML in a proper editor that preserves encoding. Once done, locate the root camera parameters block and scan for profiles. This is where modes and sensors map. Make small, targeted edits first, change a value, save, and test in the app. You do this to isolate syntax issues and confirm the app reads your changes before proceeding to complex entries. You now edit specific profile blocks to tune performance. Find HDR plus or night mode sections and adjust exposure compensation, ISO limits, and metering targets. These numeric tweaks change image brightness and noise behavior. Once done, update sensor ID and stream configurations so the app maps the right camera. Make sure to maintain matching tags and proper quoting because XML is strict. Broken syntax prevents loading. After edits, save with UTF-8 encoding and close the editor to avoid temp file conflicts. You finish by installing the modified XML into the app folder and restarting Gcam to load changes. Take controlled test shots to compare noise, dynamic range, and modes. This confirms whether values improved results. If the app crashes or images show artifacts, validate the XML with a parser and restore config backup. XML if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. Parse errors are the most common cause. Run a quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.